SageStream is a consumer reporting agency that provides credit-related data and analytics to various companies, such as lenders, insurers, and employers. It is similar to the major credit bureaus, such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, but it operates as a specialty credit reporting agency that focuses on alternative credit data. SageStream collects data from a variety of sources, including public records, credit accounts, and other alternative data sources to create a credit report and score for consumers. The company's credit reports and scores are used by businesses to assess the creditworthiness of potential customers, determine insurance premiums, or evaluate job applicants. It's worth noting that SageStream is not one of the three major credit bureaus, and its credit reports and scores may differ from those provided by Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. However, if you have concerns about your credit report or score with SageStream, you have the right to dispute any errors or inaccuracies, just as you would with any other credit reporting agency.